वाली but flat upstairs. खुला है क्या?
Inspector Thakur, Malinagar Police.
Sorry. So the दूध वाला told me you had a lafda with half a dozen gunda upgrading bicycle chains, huh?
I was hit by a lady's handbag.
क्या?
Are you a friend of the family, sir?
Of course I am. I've been borrowing our drokra from Jogi for a couple of years now, haven't I?
Yes, you have.
Yes, and another couple of years I'll start paying it back. So the दूध वाला got it all wrong, huh?
Listen, he got himself that bang on the head by saving a poor old lady from 2 robbers.
Oh, Tashan.
बहुत खाली खाली लग रहा है.
साले कभी कुछ था भी नहीं. He's such a harmless old person normally.
Aren't you getting late for your work, sir?
Sir ji, I am a सरकारी आंकड़ा. Government's vital statistics. I'm temporarily unemployed.
Acha.
Only I am thinking of making it permanent.
Really?
Morning 9 to evening 5, happy hours.
Well, I don't have any more questions to ask. You take your wife's advice and rest up a bit. He may have given you some concern since morning, Mrs. Singh. But like I said, your husband is a hero. I expect press will be on to you very soon.
Press!
I will give you the telephone number of my station in case you remember anything about those two haramis. You can call me at any time or speak to one of my men.
Thank you so much, Inspector.
Well, good day, Mr. Singh.
Good day.
Mr. Singh.
I'll see you out.
Good day, sir.
And don't worry, Inspector. I don't believe half the stuff I read about you people in the newspaper. Thulla sala. Thuh. Well, quite a morning and we haven't even had our breakfast. Hello? Singh residence? No, I'm not. Yes, he is, but he's incapacitated at the moment. PTI? What's that?
Who is it?
PTI. Shh. Fine. Yes. P1/6, Malvinagar. Okay. Bye.
PTI. What does that mean?
Bhappe Press Trust of India.
Press!
Yes. Sort of an agency that doles out stuff to all the newspapers.
You gave them my address.
That policeman was right. You are going to be a hero.
I won't see them.
Why not? Just an interview. Probably a photograph.
Photograph? Meera, I'm not seeing anybody.
What?
Bhabhi ji, the press has just been on the phone. They're sending somebody over.
They've got a damn cheek.
The hospital has given him some tablets. I'll go get them.
I'm still not meeting anybody.
Bhappe, take it easy.
Sanjay, you don't understand, yaar.
You are right there. Abbe Sale, when you read of half the rubbish the newspapers print, you deserve to be on the front page.
Sanjay, nothing must be said about me in the newspapers. You will have to deal with them when they get here. Say it wasn't me, say it was you.
What?
कुछ भी बोल दियो यार.
What the hell are you talking about?
Abbe, it would ruin me.
If this story appears in the newspaper,
Yes, I'll be ruined with Bindu.
why would you be ruined with? Who's Bindu?
She's a lady.
A lady. Ooh, you naughty, naughty Jogi. So, she's a little bit on the side, huh? Is she?
There is more to Bindu than that.
She got big, huh? Lovely.
Sanjay, all hell would be let loose if Bindu were to see anything in the papers about me and Meera living in Malvinagar.
Why?
Because I live with Bindu and Kalka ji.
No, Sale, you live with Meera Bhabhi in Malvinagar.
That too.
You've got 2 homes.
Yes.
One here with Meera
Yes.
and other with your girlfriend in Kalkaji.
Yes. Only Bindu is not my girl.
What is she then? Afghani khodi, huh? Sale.
Bindu is my wife.
दोबारा बोल.
Bindu and I are married.
No, Sale, you and Meera Bhabhi are married.
That too.
You've got 2 wives
Yes.
and 2 homes.
Yes.
Hey, Bhagwan! I thought you were ordinary.
Yes.
I can't believe it.
I think I've always been a bit surprised myself.
And you just flick between Malvinagar and Kalkaji like some oversexed hippopotamus.
Sort of.
But Sale, Kalkaji, that's practically next door.
4.5 minutes in the taxi.
Utteri.
It's quite handy actually. I mean, running a tourist cab business is not like an ordinary job, is it? Morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, night shift.
Bhappe, thank God, you are not an Air India pilot. What about the expense, huh? It must cost a fortune.
Not really. Both Bindu and Meera work, and I don't need my pocket money.
And no time to spend it.
Well, I'm either driving the taxis and getting back to get to bed with Meera, or driving the taxis and getting
Back to get to bed with Bindu. And what do you do on your day off?
sleep a lot.
हाँ साले, तूने सच में 2 शादियां की हैं?
Hi, Meera was the first. That was a lovely wedding. I met Bindu 4 months.
4 months.
That day, all the drivers were busy, so I had to drive myself to the airport for this last moment booking. She was visiting from UK, and we got chatting between the airport and Kalkaji, where she had this flat. I helped her take her suitcases up, and she asked me if I would like a cup of tea. I said yes, and then we chatted. And then she asked me if I would like to come home the next day, and so I did. And then we chatted again. And
It's a pity, Saleh. You forgot to mention Meera Bhabhi when you were doing all this bloody chatting of yours.
yeah, one cup of tea led to another, and I got carried away, I suppose. And having not mentioned Meera in the first place, I didn't know how to bring her up afterwards.
So you asked Bindu to marry you?
No, she asked me. I didn't have the heart to say no.
Huh?
So we got married at the registry office.
And you moved in with Bindu?
Yes.
While still living here with Meera?
Yes.
Bappe, you have committed bigamy. That's what you have done.
Sort of.
No, not sort of. 100% bigamy.
Yes.
It's a criminal offense.
Yes.
Abey, you could go to jail.
Yes.
Doesn't that worry you?
Yeah, I've been too busy to think about it.
I don't know how you cope with it.
It needs a very tight schedule.
And hell of a stamina. I don't know how you manage it. I can just about find energy to satisfy one girlfriend, and you, Saleh.
Boy, I've got to get over to Bindu. She'll be worried sick. I'm always bang on time.
Now I see why you need the schedule now.
I was due back at 7:30 this morning from the early shift.
With Bindu and Kalkaji?
Yes.
And what are all these letters?
Well, I have a sort of code to back up my schedule.
Acha. SWM,
Saturday with Meera.
HDB,
Half day Bindu.
LNB, MM,
Ah, late night Bindu. Early morning Meera.
CAT, meow.
Saleh, that's to remind me to take the cat to the vet.
Here we are, yes. One little tablet to calm you down?
Bhabiji, in that case, you'd better take the whole lot.
No, just one. Then it's off to bed for you.
I can't.
Yes, you can. He's had a shock, hasn't he, Sanjay?
I think we've all had.
I can't afford to miss a day's business.
You are in no fit state to be driving.
I'll just put in half a day.
You know, Sanjay, he's got enough energy for 2 people. All right then, I'll go get his lunch.
Don't bother. I want to get back on the road.
I'm not letting you go without your lunch.
Darling, you'll make yourself late for work.
I'm not going into work today.
You're not.
And it's about time that you did something about a job too, Sanjay.
Actually, Bhabiji, I'm thinking of taking up taxi driving.
Really?
Now that I have started looking at its attractions.
साले ज्यादा शाना मत बन तू.
I'm sorry, but I'm looking you through new eyes now. मेरे दो बीवी वाले धर्मिंदर.
Go and keep Meera chatting while I speak to Bindu.
Bindu,
I can't let her go off to work without knowing I'm okay.
bandit take.
Wait, make sure Meera doesn't come in.
यही है right choice जोगी. आहा.
Hello?
Hello, Laddu.
Manju! Where are you? You're an hour and a half late.
Sorry, Mithu. Car broke down.
Why didn't you ring me earlier?
Couldn't get to a phone. I took a safari to the airport, and on the way back it happened.
Where are you calling from now?
I am in a farmer's cottage somewhere near Mahipalpur.
But what's wrong with your voice?
Oh, I don't want to wake the farmer's wife.
Are you sure? You haven't had an accident now?
No, Mithu, I'm fine. Just a bit hassled, that's all.
What happened?
Hang on, the farmer has just come.
Achha.
Hang on a second, Kaddu.
Kaddu.
Abhi, what do you want?
I've got a message from Bhabhi number 1.
What is it?
She wants to know whether you want parathas and pickles or eggs and bread or both.
I don't care.
You want to check what number 2 is giving for dinner, huh?
One of each.
And a flask of tea or coffee.
Coffee! But nothing. The farmer was just asking me something.
Coffee and sandwich and lal, sarji.
The farmer was telling me that the mechanic has fixed the car. Acha Laddu, I better go. I wanted to catch you before you left for work.
Work? लेकिन मैं आज नहीं जा रही हूँ.
You?
You know I'm not. You're taking the day off too, remember?
Am I?
Yes, it's been planned for ages. Just the two of us, lazing around.